The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing Harmony. It's underperforming, 3% only. Oh my god, panic. And I can understand you, but it's looking good, and I'm gonna show you why it's looking good, and I'm gonna show you when it's gonna pump. So I know you guys are interested in that. Well, when I think it's gonna pump, you never know, you know, these things, technical analysis. That said, are you one of those guys that need a little bit help with picking coins, or are you one of those guys that are picking coins based off hype? Like when something goes up 50%, you're like, okay, what's this coin do? Like start searching for it. If that's the case, if you not know how to pick coins, if you have really trouble determining what's good, what's not, when is it the dip, why is somebody talking about something and not something else and stuff like that, check out the Patreon page, man. We do this thing called daily altcoin video, rank 30 coins up and down every single day, talk about technical analysis, how to buy, how not to buy and stuff like that. Might be interesting, might be good for you, not that expensive, very good price. Good price for you, my friend. $1 one video, very easy. That's it. No, yeah, I'm serious. It's a good deal. That said, check the Patreon. That said, let's get on the chart to see what's happening with Harmony. Now, Harmony pumped hard yesterday, and it pumped as it should have pumped. Pumped all the way like 42% above this 20 moving average. Not only that, it pumped above 50 moving average, so it technically is above all the moving averages right now. There is no problem. Right now it's an uptrend. It's done correcting. This is correction. This is consolidation. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. If you count this correction, 4 weeks. 4 weeks. You had 4 weeks on correction. That's 1 month. That's an entire month less than Cardano, just so you guys know. So Cardano did 2 months correction, you did only 1 month, so you happy. Right now we hit this 10 moving average on the weekly chart, so technically we are set. Also, we are sitting down here at 57 level on some kind of RSI. There is no problem. MACD on the weekly time frame, yeah, very nice levels, ready to pump. So if Bitcoin willing, we're gonna go higher. Let's go down to the daily time frame, see what's happening on daily. Even on the daily, we went all the way down below 50, hit the 100 moving average with the wick on the way down, went a little bit more down, and then pumped hard above all the moving averages. So once again, we are above all the moving averages. So what now has to happen? We have to kind of wait a little bit for this 10 moving average to pick up with the price, because right now we are riding in the 20 and 50, so it might take a day or two or something like that. I think if it doesn't just figure out you just want to go higher and higher, that's also the case. You know, these things you never know, but I'm gonna show you what has to happen before that. So there's a certain once we got into this downtrend over here, of course we had to get out of that, and the first line to get out of that, I'm gonna remove these moving averages for a second. It was something like this over here. Oh, I don't have Magneton. Let's put Magneton and put it over here where it should be, something like this, and you can see this on the 4-hourly chart a little bit better. So once we start hitting this resistance line, we were trying to get braked, and it's over here where we broke and started going up. So this line is actually finished. This resistance line is finished. It's broken, so we don't need that anymore. We can remove it, but there is another line that's actually resisting right now over here, and it's this one up here. And you can see here that we pumped all the way up to the resistance line. Now we are getting resisted. We're gonna get past it, but I think we need some kind of help with the moving averages to push the price above the line. So daily moving averages are just above it. The problem is this 10 moving average is sitting all the way down 0.10. Luckily for us, this is a slow moving average, so within 10 days, preferably within a week, this is gonna change and start going all the way up to the price. So it's gonna, I don't know if it's gonna take days, how long is it gonna take, but it can pump already. It doesn't have to wait for the price. You can see here the pumps in start, maybe it waits, but when it starts pumping, like it doesn't wait for the 10 moving average. It just pumps. It just pumps. This is some kind of a breakout. Let's see if that happened over here. No, it held the 20 moving average and then start pumping when it came. So so we can just continue, no problem. We can just continue going up here, and then price come, and then we shoot up. So that's the plan. Okay, that's the game plan for us right now. That's how we should. But anyways, this is done. This is the reason why we are getting resisted. So as soon as we break this line over here, here we are gonna shoot up really hard, I think. So that's the thing to watch for. Let's look at a little bit on weekly and see if we can find any supports or resistance. So it is over here where we actually started breaking down. I would say this line over here is actually important to notice. Let's remove the wicks. This is a thing, you know, in tech analysis you can remove the wicks. You can see here when we are going higher, we are creating these supports, but once we broke that, we went further down. We tried to get above it a couple of times, couldn't, and crash down. So but I would say that this level up here, the highest level up here, is actually when we are getting to some new all-time highs. So not only do we have to break this resistance up here, we have to break this resistance up here as well. It will be broken. I don't know if it will be broken today, because right now we're up 3%, but you have to understand when something goes up, how many percent did you say? 42%, including today 45%, that's almost 50%. Some people, some traders will start taking profits. It won't push the price down, but it will kind of stop the 50% move for a little while. So let's bring back the moving averages and see if we can figure out when is this gonna continue going up. We're gonna go into the smaller time frames, and we can see here that we are climbing, but right now we are still extended from the white and the red moving average. So I think we still, let's see how it looks on the daily 1 hourly chart frame. We are hugging the 20 moving average, that's the red line over here. So I'm thinking it won't, because it went like 50%. I'm thinking we have to wait for the 10 moving average. Now I'm not saying that the 10 moving average has to be hit on the way down, but the 10 moving average will continue going up. We'll hit it maybe in 4-8 hours or something like that, and then maybe climb with the moving average. The worst case scenario is we have to wait for this 50 moving average. Then you have to wait like, I don't know, a day or something like that. I mean, who wants to wait a day for another 50%? I'm just gonna sell this and buy something else. I don't have this, but you know. So best case scenario, it pumps on 10. Worst case scenario, it pumps on 20 on the 4-hourly time frame. Yeah, so if it pumps on the 10, it's not gonna take long, maybe 8 to 12 hours. But if it pumps long, you know, forget it, because I'm not that good on this. How long as things gonna take? I don't know how long they're gonna take. They're gonna take as long as they have to take, but it will pump. When will it pump? I don't know, but it will go up, you know. Because right now it's sitting as support, it's sitting as these moving averages, it's getting the support. It will get above this level up here, it will get above this level up here, it will get above all-time high up here. Let me put line up above all time here. It will get above, and once we go above that high, it will go higher, and it will go all the way to the, yeah, you know, to the moon. Nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see update tomorrow how Harmony is doing. Harmony is actually doing quite nice. No problem with Harmony at all. It's going up. It's just having some kind of speed stop on the way up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to get more Harmony vids. If you want to join the chat community, we got a big chat community on Telegram, 200 people. Join us, why not? Very nice, friendly people. And check out the Patreon. It might be something for you. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. See you around.